Today we'll discuss the top 10 fighter jets in the world. The JF-17 Thunder, which has been creating waves in the world of avionics, has shaken India's overconfidence in its military power. While it may not be the most advanced jet in terms of technology, the night of May 10th saw this combat aircraft make history in aerial warfare. So where does the JF-17 Thunder rank among the world's best fighter jets? Which are the most advanced jets today? Let's find out. At number 10, the Sukhoi Su-35S of Russia, a 4.5 generation fighter jet. The Su-35S is a modern variant of the Su-27. Thanks to its thrust vectoring engines, it can quickly change directions. Powered by twin engines and equipped with modern avionics, it's an agile and responsive aircraft, capable of carrying 8,000 kgs of deadly weapons. It travels at 2,700 km per hour, over twice the speed of sound. Its radar can detect threats from 400 km away. It costs $85 million and is considered a 5.4 generation aircraft. At number 9, the Eurofighter Typhoon of Europe, a collaborative product of the UK, Italy, Germany and Spain. This delta-wing fighter with canards and fly-by-wire controls features the Captor radar, which can detect enemies from long distance. With a top speed of 2,495 km per hour and a range of 2,900 km, this fourth generation marvel costs $90 million. At number 8, the Dassault Rafale from France. Produced by Dassault Aviation, this multi-role fighter jet is equipped with advanced radar and avionics, setting it apart from contemporaries. Flying at 2,222 km per hour, it plays a decisive role in air battles. With a range of 3,700 km per hour and a price of $100 million, it can carry nuclear weapons. However, its effectiveness depends on the skill of its pilots, and reportedly, JF-17 Thunder outperforms it when flown by less capable pilots such as those from India. At number 7, the F-15EX from the USA. With advanced radar, electronic warfare and digital controls, this powerful jet reaches a speed of 3,100 km per hour and has a range of 3,450 km. It can strike land and sea targets quickly and carries up to 22 air-to-air missiles, the highest among any fighter jet. Its price is $87 million, which is relatively less than a Rafale. At number 6, the Shenyang FC-31 of China, also known as T-35. The stealth fighter jams enemy radar, making it hard to detect. Featuring advanced digital controls and electronic warfare systems, it flies at 2,205 km per hour with a combat range of 1,200 km. Its cost is $70 million and it qualifies as a 5th generation jet. At number 5, the Sukhoi Su-57 of Russia. Featuring sensor fusion and super cruise capability, this stealth aircraft is particularly dangerous. With a top speed of 2,470 km per hour and the ability to strike from 3,500 km away, its price ranges from $40 to $50 million. At number 4, the Kf-21 Murome from South Korea. This stealth fighter, equipped with advanced avionics, flies at 2,200 km per hour and has a strike range of 2,900 km, costing approximately $47 million. It's a deadly platform for modern air warfare. At number 3, the F-22 Raptor of the USA. Equipped with advanced avionics, digital controls, and stealth technology, the F-22 reaches speeds of 2,410 km per hour and can engage targets from 3,000 km. Its highly advanced radar gives it superiority over other jets. The cost is $150 million. At number 2, the J-20 Mighty Dragon of China. With cutting-edge sensors, stealth technology, and long-range strike capabilities, the J-20 is extremely dangerous. It can hit targets from 5,926 kilometers away and flies at 2470 kilometers per hour. It costs $100 million. At number 1, the F-35 of USA. Currently the world's most advanced and popular fighter. The F-35 A, B and C variants fly at 1975 kilometers per hour with advanced radar, sensor systems, digital avionics and stealth capability. It outperforms all contemporaries. This 5th generation jet costs $85 million. Although not officially on the top 10 list, the JF-17 Thunder, jointly developed by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and China's Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, has proven its worth on the battlefield. On the night of May 10th, it shook the Indian Air Force, and earlier, the nights of May 6th and 7th, it reportedly brought down India's advanced Rafale jets. According to its performance, the JF-17 Thunder has shown it can surpass the capabilities of even the 8th ranked Rafale, earning its place as a modern hero in aerial warfare.